Okay, so after installing the DNS server, let's go ahead and right click on the DNS server and let's click on properties. So we can take a look at some of the most important settings in the DNS server. So for example, notice here that in the interface tab, the server by default is listening on all IP address. It's listening on both IP version 6 and IP version 4. You can click here and select only the following IP address, and then you might want to uncheck one of these IP address. This is in the case that you have. This is useful in the case that you have more than one network card, and you don't want to serve DNS record on all the network cards. So if you click on forwarders, these are all the secondary DNS server that will help you resolve host names that are not hosting in your DNS primary zone. So for example, if any computer on the local network is trying to reach a computer on a different network, for example the internet, that record does not exist in your DNS server. Therefore, your DNS server is then going to pass that query to a DNS server on the internet. If we click on root hints, these are the name servers that will resolve queries for queries that are not found neither in the local domain name and that are not found in the local DNS server or in the forwarders. Then it will be forwarded to many of these root servers. In the security tab, we have the securities for this for the users and groups with rights over the DNS server. And then on the monitoring tab, here we can perform queries and tests on the local DNS server. For example, if I wanted to query against this DNS server, I'm going to check this checkbox, and then I'm going to go ahead and click test now. And as you can see, it passed. This is for event logging, the type of events that you might want to log. By default, we're going to log all events. If you want to troubleshoot DNS resolution problems, you might want to select errors only. Debugging, this is for, again, assist you troubleshoot any DNS related problems. You will want to enable a log packet for debugging here. I'm going to go ahead and click OK.